Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Now, scroll through the menu, select the system option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Now, scroll down by pressing the down button, find the backlight option, select it, and press the start button to enter. And here we have two options, during activity and not during activity. Basically, two states of the watch. The first one is during activity, and basically it means when you're recording activity on your watch, like running, cycling, and stuff like that, you can adjust the brightness for that time. And not during activity is basically everything else, so when you're not recording activity. First, let's select the during activity, press start, scroll down, find the brightness option, select it, and press the start. And here we can adjust the value by using the up and down buttons. So set it to the value you like and press the start button twice to confirm. So now during activity, the backlight brightness for our watch will be at 50%. Let's go back, select not during activity and press start button, scroll down, select brightness, start, and adjust it. I'm gonna set it to something like 80, press start to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.